Alright, if you have found this YouTube, you're looking for information about how to repot your snake plants. If you have questions about what soil I like to use, or how to water them, or how to fertilize them, or just general leaf questions, I have a playlist on my YouTube that explains all of that. It's kind of an a la carte, so you just pick and choose what information you need. In this one, I'm just going to show you the size pot and how I repot the snake plant. So make sure that when you're repotting a snake plant, even if it's tall like this, it's pretty big, you want to make sure that you put it in a tiny little pot. This is a 4-inch pot. This is a 4-inch pot, 4-inch pot. The reason is snake plants like to be pot bound, so you want to make sure you don't give them a lot of space to grow. Like if you put them in something like big like this, that's too big. It needs to be small. So when you put it in, make sure you do pack the soil down, since they're heavy and they're going to be tall, so they might topple over. Make sure it's packed so that it's staying upright. And also make sure that you're filling the soil up to, you'll see a white line. That's just the original soil line from when you last had them growing. Try to get it up to the same. Try to get it up to that line. It's just healthier for the plant. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, just make sure they're in a small pot with the soil mix that I like to use, and that is packed tight enough where it won't fall over. And you'll do this about every 2 years. You'll only want to repot these once the roots have actually burst through the side. These really like to be root bound, so you want it to be completely overgrown in the pot before you repot it. And yeah, I think that's it.